a little bit healthier options. I've got some fresh garlic in there and Indian red curry, our chicken and garlic pot stickers. Got my retainers in, if you can't understand them. And some sweet potatoes with nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and ginger. So I've got tuna for dinner for me tonight. I've eaten once today. Michael had to work extra late. It was almost like he worked 24 hours yesterday. So he actually was able to stay home. I let him sleep and got Dumpling ready for school. So I got up and I made myself coffee and tuna because I knew I was going to get hungry later. And I was going to be responsible for dinner tonight for me and Dumpling since he will be on his double shift. So it's 7. I think I ate some noodles when I got up because I actually was up with him waiting. So I ate some noodles at 1 o'clock today. And now I'm going to go ahead and eat this for dinner. It's like 7:30-ish. And I'm not going to eat all of this, but it's something to put in my belly, and it's light, but it's filling. I love tuna. And he got me some cola because I'm craving it. It's that time of the month, and I know it's not good for me, but let's see. These, I think have less calories, 130. I think they have less calories than, Pepsi or Coke, but it's still dark soda. But I'm taking the hit, guys. And this I got from the Dollar Tree, and they say that chili pepper really helps curb appetites and keeps you a little bit fuller longer. So I have been doing that this week just because I know usually I will find something to snack on that's not healthy between meals. When I start feeling weak or lightheaded or get a headache, my usual go-to would be sugar. Lately, it's been that and pumpkin seeds, which are like a superfood. These are from the Dollar Tree as well, and they have a lot more sodium, which Michael cannot, with his blood pressure. He gave me the rest of his bags because that's 1,920 milligrams for this. Let's see. How big is this bag? For this 2-ounce bag. And that's way too much for him to be intaking. Way too much for me, but I don't eat the whole bag. So this will last. These have lasted me like a couple of weeks. So he's cut back on the coffee for his blood pressure. I've cut back on sugar and sweets, but like I said, I'm craving stuff. So this was this is my cheat for this week. And that's okay. Give yourself permission to get a little bit of what you want. So this is going to satisfy me. Like I said, tuna's great. No eggs. I was trying to save the eggs. We have 6 eggs left. I'm just kind of trying to save them. So it's just the seasonings, Miracle Whip, mustard, and some relish. And that's it. And this will do me for tonight. And I'll just have to find something for Dumpling to eat. Dollar Tree. Got these supersized alkaline waters. Got that big hole. Keeping my water intake up. Dollar Tree. And I apologize to the environment for all these plastic bottles, but as soon as I can afford it, I'm getting the water bottle with the filters and the refillable filters. And this cranberry apple juice had to be returned because I am very allergic. I have allergies, and sugar substitutes give me a headache. They get me stuffed up. And I didn't realize that acesulfame potassium was code for sugar substitute. So these had to be returned. I mean, they're just not good. Here's my lemons that I've cut up so I can just squeeze in water. And I've got my kale down here. That's a major superfood. And that's good for blood pressure too. So Mike will be eating that too. And then I've got this is a really good tea. I'm not really just taking it for the slim supplements, but I love that it has the organic orange oil. It just has and it's got clove in it, so it has a really spicy but sweet taste with the orange oil, clove, bud, black pepper, fruit, ginger, and cinnamon, and yerba mate leaf, which is supposed to be really good. Sorry, it's not focusing. for digestion and the diet. And then I've got this tea because I love hot tea and I just kind of wanted something lemony. I'm in a lemon mood lately. And this is my new snack other than smoothies all the time. It's just Greek yogurt, frozen strawberries, frozen raspberries, and frozen blackberries. And I've eaten most of the raspberries out. But this is just something new I'm trying, so I'm not eating or having to blend up a smoothie all the time. And it's really filling and light. Filling and light at the same time. And I love mushrooms, onions, garlic, and peppers sizzling. I love to put that in pastas, eggs, soup, whatever. Like, I just love that. The mushrooms are really good for you. And they're supposed to be good for PCOS, so that's good. And I'm using whole wheat pasta this time for the Alfredo. And I finally found this at the Walmart on Grindstone. Very expensive, but very worth it, especially if I'm not giving up cheese, but I do want to try and find some substitutes for it often. So $6 for this. I mean, you're not going to use a bunch of it each time, and just for a substitute often, it's pretty good. So we're trying it tonight in the Alfredo. And here go the shrimp in with that. And of course, I'm going to add some more of my Kerrygold butter, which they say is good for you. I've always been an advocate for real butter. I think they're saying that margarine is good for you. I don't know. They go back and forth. But we've got the grass-fed cows, which makes that a top butter choice.